Hi guys, my name is Mikołaj and today I'll show you how to drive a stick shift so you can learn how to drive one in 15 minutes. So the first thing you have to do before you even start learning how to drive, find yourself a secluded area, empty parking lot or unused rural road where you can safely practice your manual driving. So I'm here in a park. The parking lot is empty. There's nobody in the parking lot, so this is a safe environment for me to practice driving a stick shift. So let's get started. Okay, so let's try the gears. This is our first, second. This is third gear, fourth gear, and this is the fifth. Whenever you shift gears, always keep the clutch in. So let's go quickly over the three pedals. Just like in automatic, you have your throttle control or gas pedal and brake. The additional one is clutch, and you're using this pedal when you're shifting gears. We are going to start without the use of the gas pedal. So put your right foot on the floor, press in clutch with your left foot, put the car in first, and very slowly release the clutch. Very slowly. As you can see, the car drives by itself. Now I have 2 foot completely off the pedals. Pretty much the car uses the idling speed of the engine to propel itself. So we are doing 5 miles per hour. Now with your right foot, push in the gas pedal and accelerate. You can see the car goes in. We are still in the first gear. Okay. Clutch and brake. Okay, so the vehicle stopped. Okay, let's turn around. I'm at the very end of the parking lot. Now, once you have that element practiced, we'll now start with gas. So, give it about 1500 RPMs. Keep it steady. Don't push it too much. Sometimes what happens when people stall is the moment when the clutch start catching, your RPMs will drop. You can give it a little bit of gas slightly, but if you just keep your foot at that 1500 RPMs, you'll be fine. So let's get started. Give it 1500 RPMs, and let's do the same thing. Release the clutch. Okay, RPMs dropped to 1200. I let it go, and the car accelerates. Okay, clutch in, brake. We'll turn around, and this time we'll go to the second gear. Okie doke. Okay, so get out of gear. Now get ready. Clutch in, put it in first, 1500 RPMs. Slowly release the clutch. Okay, the car is going. Accelerate 2500 to 3000 RPMs. Clutch in, put it in second, and release clutch. Okay, clutch in, brake. What you just learned, you will be using to upshifting and downshifting. So every time you want to switch your gear, you'll just press the clutch in and move to the next gear. Thank you for watching. If you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me a lot. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it now. I'll have more content coming soon. Also, I am now on Instagram and Facebook under The Real Mikołaj, so follow me on those 2 social media accounts. Well, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and rocket. Now let's try the rocket. Thank thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Oh, there is a hair flying around.